In today's video, we're going to focus on pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, and the amazing benefits they can offer to our health. What are the benefits of pumpkin seeds? Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of nutrients that can help support our overall health. Here are just a few benefits of incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of magnesium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, regulating blood sugar levels, and supporting our bone and heart health. Pumpkin seeds are packed with healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for our brain function and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and carotenoids, which can help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of zinc, which is essential for immune system function, wound healing, and maintaining healthy skin. Pumpkin seeds contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which can help to promote better sleep by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. How to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet? Here are a few easy ways to add pumpkin seeds to your meals. Snack on them. Roasted pumpkin seeds make a delicious and healthy snack. Simply toss raw pumpkin seeds with a little bit of olive oil and your favorite seasonings, then roast in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until crispy. Add them to salads. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds over your favorite salads for a crunchy, nutty flavor. Mix them into yogurt or oatmeal. Pumpkin seeds make a great addition to your morning yogurt or oatmeal. Simply sprinkle them on top for an added boost of nutrition and flavor. Use them in baking. Try adding pumpkin seeds to your favorite baked goods, such as muffins or bread, for added texture and nutrition. Make pumpkin seed butter. Similar to peanut butter, pumpkin seed butter is a delicious and nutritious spread that can be used on toast or as a dip for fruits and vegetables. Here are some simple and tasty recipes that incorporates pumpkin seeds. Roasted butternut squash with pumpkin seeds. Ingredients: 1 butternut squash, peeled and cubed. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, toss the butternut squash cubes with olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Spread the seasoned squash cubes out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast the squash in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the edges are browned and the squash is fork tender. While the squash is roasting, place the pumpkin seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat. Toast the pumpkin seeds, stirring frequently, for 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are fragrant and lightly browned. Once the squash is done roasting, remove it from the oven and sprinkle the toasted pumpkin seeds over the top. Serve the roasted butternut squash with pumpkin seeds as a side dish or enjoy it as a main dish with a side salad or some grains. Here's another recipe that uses pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seed pesto. Ingredients: 1 cup pumpkin seeds. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/2 cup fresh basil leaves. 1/4 cup fresh parsley leaves. 1/4 cup olive oil. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: toast the pumpkin seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are lightly browned and fragrant. In a food processor, combine the toasted pumpkin seeds, grated Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, fresh basil leaves, and fresh parsley leaves. Pulse the ingredients together until they are finely chopped and well combined. With the food processor running, slowly drizzle in the olive oil until the pesto is smooth and creamy. Season the pesto with salt and black pepper to taste, and pulse again until the seasoning is evenly distributed. Transfer the pumpkin seed pesto to a jar or container with a tight-fitting lid, and store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy the pesto as a sauce for pasta, a spread for sandwiches, or a dip for vegetables and crackers. Here's another recipe that uses pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seed hummus. Ingredients: 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1/2 cup raw pumpkin seeds. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1/4 cup water. Salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions. In a food processor, combine the chickpeas, raw pumpkin seeds, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and water. Pulse the ingredients together until they are smooth and creamy, adding more water as needed to reach your desired consistency. Season the hummus with salt and black pepper to taste, and pulse again until the seasoning is evenly distributed. Serve the pumpkin seed hummus as a dip for vegetables or crackers, or as a spread for sandwiches and wraps. Here's another recipe with pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seed granola. Ingredients: 3 cups rolled oats. 1 cup raw pumpkin seeds. 1/2 cup sliced almonds. 1/2 cup shredded coconut. 1/4 cup honey. 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a large bowl, combine the rolled oats, raw pumpkin seeds, sliced almonds, and shredded coconut. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the honey, melted coconut oil, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, and salt until well combined. 4. Pour the honey mixture over the oat and seed mixture, and toss to coat evenly. 5. Spread the granola out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 6. Bake the granola in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until it is lightly browned and crispy. 7. Remove the granola from the oven and let it cool completely before serving or storing. 8. Store the pumpkin seed granola in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy these delicious and healthy recipes that feature the goodness of pumpkin seeds. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and lifestyle content.